finally, here we go, guys. So I had to made some twists to the wiring. Um, I found it easier to yes, okay, so it's working. I found it easier to just directly these wires from the motor to the old plug, which was female, and this was female as well. So I just wired them and twisted the last two wires, the black and the, let me see here, no, actually the red and the blue, because the rotation of the motor is the opposite of what I thought. So now this clamp here is just holding that there while it's gluing. Afterwards we'll get a self-tap screw. Other than that, everything is looking good, really nice. Now I just fitted this bit of filament, which is PLA infused with carbon fiber, and I'm going to make a quick test if everything is up, works, and if the extruder is running in the right direction. So we just start the Anycubic. It's still in stock firmware, as you can see, because of the ringtone or whatever. Now we're going to tools. Let me see, tools, filament, and filament in. Okay, so it's going to start to eat the hot end. As soon as this fan starts, the LED should work as well, if everything is working as supposed to. Let's see. Oh, it light up. Yeah, the fan is working, which is great. Now we just have to see it's eating up really quickly, so that's a good sign. It should make some smoke now, because it's the first time this hot end is fired up. Let's just wait and see how it goes. Anyway, I changed the wires. I cut and welded the wires for the heat element, the hot end, and the thermistor as well. I had to do that so I can use the PCB, factory PCB. I just hot glued them right back here, which this is a part that it doesn't move, so it's okay. It doesn't get hot as well. So yeah, I'm thinking this might be a really good setup. So let's just wait. Okay, so we're about there. So let's see, filament in. Okay, so it's pushing the filament in, which is a good sign. It's smoking, yeah, and it's working perfectly. As you can see, filament is coming in. Okay, so stop. Let's see now if it works the other way. Filament remove. Yeah, it's really slowly working its way out, but that's okay, because let me just let's stay out for a while. Let me just say something. This setup should work perfectly. The thing is, now I have to upgrade the firmware because I'm going to be using the stepper motor controllers, the TMCs, and also I'm going to be adjusting the E-steps, because the other motor was single drive, this is dual drive, and the gears are different, the ratio is different, and I have to adjust it. So I'll be showing this in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy it. I really like the setup on this. It's a really cool setup. It's not smoking anymore. It's still at 230. Yeah, it's working nice. It's working perfectly. After I'll, eventually, I don't know if I will, but I will tape all of these or put some shrink tubes on all of these wires just to make a little less mess, if you like. But yeah, everything is working just nice, just perfect. Let me see the movement. So tools, X's, let's see the X one. Okay, let me see the limit where it is. Okay. Okay, well, after I do the firmware, everything will be fine, I guess. But yeah, this is it, guys. When I install the firmware and adjust the E-steps, I'll show everything to you. And even when I install the TMCs on the bottom, I'll show it to you as well. So yeah, this is it, guys. See you next video.